Okay children, now we are going to, that is to check out whether the number is a multiple of given number or the given number is a factor of that question. Okay, so to check, how to check the number is a multiple itself of those number. Okay, I will explain with example sum. Our heading is to check out whether it is a multiple or not. Okay, so to check out whether it is a multiple or not. Okay, that means here the question is 6 is a multiple of 6 is a multiple of 30. Okay, so this is a question. Okay, to find out this you have to, by that is 30 is divided by 6. Okay, the remainder is 0. If the remainder will be the 0, so 6 is a factor of 30. Okay, suppose if the remainder is any number, that is 2, 3 at all, any number, that number is not a multiple of 30. Similarly, the given number, that is by factor also, the remainder will be 0, that number is factor. So remainder is any number apart from 0 that does not a factor of that number, and multiple does not the multiple of that number. Okay, now that is 30 by divided by 6 means, that is 5 6 are 30. So the remainder is 0. So if the remainder is a 0, so yes, answer is yes, 6 is the multiple of 30. Okay, similarly, that is we have to know that to check out the whether it is a factor or not. Okay, same pattern, that is 7 is a factor of 30. That means here 30 divided by 7, that is 4 7s are 28 and the remainder is 2. Okay, so remainder is 2, so 7 is not a factor of 30. Okay, so no, 7 is not a factor of 30. Okay, and by get out the multiples of any number by saying the multiplication table or dividing that number, we can find out the multiples and factors. Similar to that of, we can find out whether it is a multiple or a factor. That means that number is divided by the given number. The remainder, if the remainder is 0, that number should be multiple or factor. Suppose if the remainder that is more than any number apart from 0, that may be 2, 3, anything else, so that number is not a multiple or factor. Okay, and let me move on to the next topic, that is highest common multiple. Okay, that is our topic is highest common multiple. To find out the highest common multiple, it's a short form, that is HCF. Okay, that is highest common multiple of, okay, any two number, that is here 24 and 36. Okay, that means highest common, find out the HCF of 24 and 36. Okay, here highest common factor. Okay, first you have to find out the factors of 24. Write down the factors of 24. So here factors means you have to write down this number to find out which in which any table which contains the product of the 24. So first, that is one table. That means 124 is 24. Similarly 24 table, because 24 into 1 also, that we get 24. So write down this two factor as, that is 1 and 24 first, because the number itself is a factor and 1 is the factor of all the numbers. So 1 and 24, and let me discuss that is 2. Okay, in 2 table, that is 12 2s are 24. Okay, that means 12 2s are 24. That is, so 12 and 2. Okay, 12 and 2. And next, that is 4 table, because that is 4, that is 6 4s are 24. So that is 4 and 6. Okay, so these are the factors of 24. So this is a method to find out write down the factors. First you have to write the number 1 and the given number, because it's a must. Okay, and next, that is 12 2s are 24. So 12 is the factor of 24 and 2 also. That means 12 into 2 means both the numbers are factors of 24. Okay, let me already discuss. That means 5 into 4 20. So 5 and 4, each number is a factor of 20. Already we discussed. Okay, that is 2 and 12. And 4 table, that is 4 6 are 24. So write down this both this number as a factor. That is 4 into 6 equal to 24 means 6 also a factor of 24 and 4 also factor of 24. Okay, do you understand now? And next, that is factors of 36. Okay, factors of 36. Similarly, first write down the number 1 and 36. Okay, and that is, this also a it comes in 2 table. That is 16 2s are 32 and 7 34, that is 18 2s are 36. So that is 2 into 18. Okay, so and next, that is 6 table. Okay, that is 6 6 are 36. So write down this 6 also. Okay, and 4 table also. That means 9 4s are 36. You know, that is, so 9 and 4. So these are the factors of 36. Now you have to taken out the common factor. That means here 2, here also 2. Okay, and that means 6. Okay, and 6, and that is 4 and 4. That is 2 4 6. Okay, so write down this highest common multiple. Write down first common factors. Highest common factor. Here write down this common factors of 24 and 36. Okay, write down this, that is 2, okay, and 4 and 6. Okay, and highest common means that number is 6. For that is HCF of 24 and 36, the answer is 6. Okay, so highest common factor, that is HCF, equal to, that is among these, that is highest in is 6. Okay, so this is a method to find out the highest common factor, that means HCF. Okay, and let me move on to the next, that is prime numbers and composite numbers and prime factorization. Okay, let me move on to the next topic. Okay.